Hi, welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how to make a website for your vegan restaurant instantly using the Mighty Sites system. So if you're not familiar with Mighty Sites, it's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial. You can click on the link down below in the notes section from this video. But basically all you have to do is find your website template. So there's all types here. I'll show you quickly. There are all types of small business website templates in here. All you do is find your theme. So I'm just going to find mine, which is a vegan restaurant. And I click on that theme and then I can put Keegan's Vegan Restaurant. And then I can put in my city state. So I'll put in Denver, Colorado, and then business type. So this is obviously a restaurant, click continue. Then I just put in my contact information for my restaurant. So I'll put in my phone number, I'll put in my email address, and then I'll click continue. I'm going to use a made up address here, but you would obviously put your real address in this box and then put in my postal code and click continue. Now, final step is just to add my hours. So let's just say I'm open from 10 until, let's just say 7 p.m. During the weekdays, and I'll click continue. And then on the weekends, let's just say I'm open, still open at 10 a.m., but I stay open a little bit later, Friday, Saturday. And then let's just say I'm closed Sundays, I'll click closed. So then if all that looks good, my next step is to click on looks good next. And just like that, Mighty Sites is going to instantly generate a simple professional website for my vegan restaurant. So now all I need to do is just simply make edits to the template. So again, it's really inexpensive. Everything's included for $9 a month. And now it's really easy to edit this template too, to just make it look exactly the way I want to, but all of the text is already written for me. All the images are pre-licensed for me to use. So if everything looks good, I can just use this right away and launch it live. But let's just make a few edits to show you how that works. So let's just say I want to change the colors. I can go over here and I can select a new color palette just by simply thumbing through the different color options to select the one that I prefer. You know, it just depends on your preference, but there's all types of different color themes here. So you can just select the one that you like best. I'll just switch it over to this one and it'll automatically update the colors across the theme. So no need to deal with any complicated, color palette software. You just literally pick the theme that you want. Now, the next thing I can do is update any of these sections. So I can go in here, I can update my social media links. So I'll just add my social media link here. I can add my Facebook page too. And then, I would just put in the actual full URL. You could just copy and paste yours, of course. But now I save those social links and close. And now you can see that my social media have updated here on the site. So that's all set. Now I can update this section too. So let's just say I wanted to show my email address on the site. I can click that. Now my social media links, my phone number are all there. I could add a logo, so it'll just by default have the text that I entered, but then I can easily upload my logo. So if you don't have a logo, I'll show you Canva. It's a really great tool. You can just go into canva.com, select logo, and then you can create a logo for your business. So I'm just gonna actually put in, let's just see, vegan restaurant. Let's just see, yeah. So look at all these logos that I can choose from for my restaurant. So I'll go with this one. I think that looks nice. And I'll just call this vegan restaurant logo. And then I'll just download that here, JPEG, because it's a little faster file type. So now I've got a logo just like that. That took me less than a minute to create a logo for my vegan restaurant. And so now I'll go over here, I'll go to browse, I'll upload my logo. And now you can see as soon as this uploads, I'll just simply save it. And then there are some simple tools here where I can make it bigger or I can make it smaller. Now I will probably crop this just to make it a little cleaner looking. So I can go over here to this little pencil icon and click on that. And what I'll do is I'll pull down the top and I will crop it from the bottom. And you can see there are all types of different tools here too. So if I wanted to change the colors, actually I'm probably gonna do that, kind of get rid of that background color. So there are all types of, I could fine tune it too if I wanted to change the exposure or anything like that, but anything that I wanted to change or update, I can easily do here as well. But once it looks good, all these tools are built in for both photos and logos. But I think this is a good logo for my vegan restaurant. So I'll just click done and then let that finish uploading, click save. And now I've got a really nice logo there. So you can see my restaurant website is coming together super quickly and easily. Now, if I do offer order online, this is where I would link to it. So I could go in here and I could choose the link, and I could either link to usually another website. So if you are offering online ordering through DoorDash or through Uber Eats or something like that, you might want to link there. If you have a Toast or online account where you allow people to do online ordering, or through your Google business profile, things like that, this is where you'd put in that online ordering link. And so people can just click on it and easily order online. Now, if you don't offer order online, or that's not something you want to promote, you can just change this, right, to something else. So that you can say, call today, right? Or let's just say call for a reservation. So maybe you prefer to just have people call for a reservation. You can also change that, just make it linked to your phone number, save it, and now your call to action is for people to call for a reservation. If you want to change any of this text, I think this looks really nice, but let's just say maybe you prefer to have it capitalized in here, or you want something shorter or different for any of this. It's just point and click to edit it. So it makes it really easy to edit this. And again, you can swap out the background image just by browsing and uploading a new image. But if this image looks good, you're free to use that too. So it's all included with the template. This section is all guided by the information you put in about your business. So you can update the hours or the action button here for sure. But by default, it'll give directions. So if I click on this, it'll open in Google Maps for people to have directions. So now you've got, call for reservation, call to action, or a link to online ordering, followed by directions directly to your business. These are all things consumers want to know, especially when you're trying to promote your vegan restaurant. Now, again, I can change this image. I can go in this section and I can type anything I want. So if I want to say this is a website template for a vegan restaurant, it's really easy to just point and click, type in what you want to see on the site. You can type in testimonials, more about your business, whatever it is, but you'll see, and then as soon as I save it, you'll see exactly what you type. So it's really easy to use the editor. It's just kind of point and click to do so. And then you can put more about information down here too. But if you want to go in here too and upload your menu, we really recommend that. View our menu can either, again, be a link. So if your menu is stored somewhere else, you can link to that. Or many restaurants have a PDF, which is also how people access the menu now in the restaurant. And you scan that QR code. You could link your QR code to this as well. But if I just go in here to upload a PDF, let me just find my menu. On here, I've got just an example menu. So I'll just upload my menu PDF, and then I'll click confirm and save, close. And now you can see when I click on this, it opens up my menu, right? So that's just where you upload your menu, and now it's linked to the site. Same thing if I click over here to menu, it'll bring me right to this section where my menu is stored on the website. So again, that makes it really simple and easy. And just like that, I'm pretty much done. Now with a simple website, this online business card for my vegan restaurant, I can click on stop editing. You can see what it looks like now without the update section buttons. So super simple, clean, professional website for your restaurant. Makes the whole process a lot cheaper and easier than dealing with a complicated website builder or web developer. So now I can just go back to the site dashboard and connect a custom domain. So I just click on this and then I enter in, my domain name. If I have one through Google Domains or domain.com or GoDaddy, simply enter that in and follow a really simple step-by-step process that guides me through, gives me the information I need to tell my registrar so that I can connect my website domain to my new website. And that's it. So once you finish those steps, you can always go back. You'll be able to launch and edit your website super simply and easily. But now you can put that online, connect it to your Google business profile, your Yelp profile, all that to help better promote your vegan restaurant, show up better in searches, and drive more customers and patrons into your restaurant.